What's up, guys? Alright, today I'm actually bringing you in to my personal space. This is my little living room here. Just wanted somewhere different to shoot at today, and here we are. Anyways, today I actually want to talk about a piece of equipment, camera equipment, that I purchased on Amazon. So I was on the market for a new slider, and I came across this baby. This is the Proaim sway extendable, basically a slider. You put this on a tripod, and it goes back and forth like this. No more than about 1.3 feet, I believe. And it holds up to 6 pounds. That's your payload up on this. Basically, something like my A7iii is perfect for this with an 85mm lens or a wide lens. Now, you would think a motion like this wouldn't capture anything really good, but the thing I found was when I'm using this, you don't see any front motion. It just looks like it's going from left to right. This thing is made out of aluminum construction, so it's built robust for travel. I don't see this breaking when I put it in my backpack. It has a friction adjustable knob on the bottom. This is great for, again, small DSLRs, small mirrorless cameras, GoPro, smartphones. Just think something light that can capture great cinematic footage. And again, the main reason why I got this is because it's so small, I could put it right in my backpack, travel with it, bring it out, put it on a light stand or a small tripod, put an A7iii on here, and start taking some great looking shots. Almost reminds me when they invented the Osmo from DJI. It was this very small gimbal that they used for your smartphone, and they just thought lightweight travel and you can use on the go. And that's how I feel that this is great for your arsenal. I love the shots that come out of this. I would highly recommend this if you're in the market for a small travel slider. Again, it's labeled as an extendable slider. It doesn't look like a slider, but it works just like one. And so far, I am in love with this. This is going with me everywhere. And I just wanted to share with you guys because I'm so super excited about this. And you know me, I just like sharing my gear with you guys and letting you guys know what I got. Maybe something that you guys find it useful as well. So for the top, it has a 3/8 screw mount on top. And what I did was I got this Manfrotto ball head, and then I put a screw in the bottom here, so that way it can just quickly screw on like this. And I can just put on my A7iii on here, make adjustments to it, so that way whatever angle I want it at, I can, whether it's lower or going high. And I find this a very good second tool. I'll put the link in the description of both items. I think these two go hand in hand perfectly, but of course you can use it without this, but I just like the versatility of the tilt motion of this ball head. Plus, Manfrotto makes excellent quality ones, so I think this is worth the money if you want a good, reliable ball head. So I just wanted to share with you, again, this great slider. I recommend it if you're in the market for a new slider. And besides that, my friends, I hope you guys liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. And besides that, I will catch you guys in the next video.